Road safety is more than just a legal requirement, it's a moral responsibility. Every year, thousands of lives are lost due to preventable traffic accidents on U.S. roads. From distracted driving to excessive speeding, the risks are countless, but so are the opportunities to make our roads safer. Let's explore the key factors affecting road safety and what we can do to protect ourselves and others. The current state of road safety in the U.S. The United States experiences a staggering number of traffic accidents annually. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, nearly 43,000 lives were lost in motor vehicle crashes in 2022 alone. What's even more alarming is that many of these incidents were preventable. Factors like distracted driving, impaired driving, and speeding play a significant role in these tragedies. Moreover, urban areas with high congestion levels and rural roads with poor visibility are hotbeds for accidents. With over 4 million miles of public roads crisscrossing the country, ensuring safety demands a collective effort from drivers, pedestrians, and policymakers. The most common causes of accidents. Distracted driving. Smartphones are a double-edged sword. While they offer convenience, they are a leading cause of distracted driving. From texting to browsing social media, a few seconds of inattention can result in life-altering consequences. Driving under the influence. Alcohol and drugs significantly impair a driver's ability to operate a vehicle safely. Despite rigorous campaigns, DUI remains a critical issue. Speeding. Many drivers underestimate the dangers of speeding. Reduced reaction times and longer stopping distances contribute to severe accidents. Weather conditions. Icy roads, fog, and heavy rain reduce visibility and traction, making safe driving more challenging. Proven ways to enhance road safety. Embrace technology. Modern vehicles come equipped with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot detection. Investing in these technologies can save lives. Defensive driving. Education is key. Defensive driving courses teach individuals to anticipate potential hazards and react appropriately. Legislation and enforcement. Stricter enforcement of traffic laws, including harsher penalties for duis and speeding, can act as a deterrent. Public awareness campaigns. Grassroots campaigns emphasizing the importance of wearing seatbelts, avoiding distractions, and adhering to speed limits can have a widespread impact. Improved infrastructure. Adding better lighting, clearer signage, and pedestrian-friendly crossings can significantly reduce accidents. Conclusion. Safety starts with you. Road safety is everyone's responsibility. Whether you're behind the wheel, walking, or biking, small changes in behavior can make a big difference. Stay alert, respect traffic laws, and always prioritize safety over convenience. Together, we can make America's roads safer for all. Share this article with your friends and family to spread awareness. It might just save a life. Let's drive toward a future where every journey ends safely. Road safety isn't just about following the rules, it's about protecting lives. Across the U.S., traffic accidents remain a leading cause of preventable injuries and fatalities. With over 6 million car accidents annually, the urgency to address road safety has never been greater. From distracted driving to infrastructure challenges, understanding the issues and adopting effective solutions can save countless lives. The human factor in road safety. Human error accounts for a staggering 94% of traffic accidents, according to the NHTSA. Distractions like texting, eating, or fiddling with GPS devices pull attention from the road. Similarly, driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs significantly compromises reaction times and decision-making abilities. Another major factor is aggressive driving, including tailgating, weaving through traffic, and speeding. These behaviors not only endanger the driver but also put other road users at risk. Transformative solutions for safer roads. Autonomous vehicles. Emerging technologies in autonomous driving promise to reduce human error. While still developing, these vehicles could be a game changer for road safety. Community involvement. Local initiatives like neighborhood speed watches and school zone safety programs promote awareness and proactive measures. Government investments. Increased funding for safer infrastructure, like roundabouts, pedestrian bridges, and smart traffic systems, can drastically reduce accident rates. Be the change. Every choice matters. Whether by buckling up, staying sober behind the wheel, or simply avoiding distractions, your actions contribute to a culture of safety. Let's prioritize responsible driving and work together to turn the tide on road accidents in the US. Share this message.